In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize Notion with Google Calendar. This integration is particularly useful if you want to keep track of your schedule directly within Notion, all in one convenient location. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step. First things first, start by opening Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. This is where we'll begin setting up the integration. Once you have your Google Calendar open, take a look at the left side of the screen where it says My Calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to integrate with Notion. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see three vertical dots appear. Click on these dots to reveal more options, and from the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. In the Settings page, you need to scroll down to a section labeled Access Permissions for Events. Here, there's a crucial step you must complete. Turn on the option that says Make Available to Public. This step is necessary for embedding your calendar into Notion, so don't skip it. Now continue scrolling down until you reach the section titled Integrate Calendar. Here you'll find either a public URL or an embed code. Copy this link because it's what you will use to bring your calendar into Notion. Now that you've copied the link, it's time to head over to Notion. Open the Notion page where you want your Google Calendar to appear. Once you're on the desired page, type /embed into the Notion page to initiate the embedding process. Paste the link you copied from Google Calendar into the text field that appears. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can simply paste the URL directly onto the Notion page, and a small option will appear to Create Embed. Select that, and voila! Your Google Calendar will now be displayed directly within Notion. Congratulations! You've now successfully integrated your Google Calendar into Notion. However, it's important to note that this calendar is read only. This means although you can view all your events and schedules inside Notion, you won't be able to edit them directly from there. If you need to make any changes to your calendar events, you'll still need to edit them in Google Calendar itself. This synchronization is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and have your schedule handy while working in Notion. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you enjoy the convenience of having your calendar at your fingertips as you navigate through Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!